Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiki, also known as Reminisce Naturals, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare my aloe vera plant for my natural hair. Okay, first we're going to cut off the bottom piece, and then I'm going to cut my aloe vera gel into 4 slices. And you want to make sure you get a pretty good thick plump aloe vera leaf in order to have as much gel as you want, you know. The next thing we're going to do is cut off the spiky ends, and I want to see the actual gel plant on the sides also, so it could be easier to pull the leaf away from the gel. And the first thing I'm going to do is cut the curved side. Trust and believe me when I say when you cut the curved side first, it would be so much easier. And I'm going to show you later on in the video what I mean by that. I'm going to lay the leaf flat down on the flat side and start from the corner. And then I'm going to make sure that the knife is pressed down flat against the back side of the leaf so I can extract as much gel from the leaf as possible, letting the knife do all the work. And then there you have it, a pretty good amount of aloe vera gel and with little to none left on the leaf. And I'm just gonna repeat the step and speed it up so you guys can see it in case, you know, you need to see it a couple of times. Alrighty, after that, you're going to want to add about a tablespoon of aloe vera juice or water and then start blending it up. And make sure you don't add too much, because if you do, then you're going to end up making aloe vera juice and you won't have that nice jelly consistency. And then next thing I'm going to do is take a container and then a strainer. You could also use a cheesecloth, which I may do next time. And then I'm just gonna take the knife and use that to kind of clear the bottom up from the clump so the gel could surpass the strainer and into the container. And this is about how much it made. I know my applicator bottle is 8 ounces and I had a little bit left over in the container, but I dropped it and yeah, it cracked and broke. I'm just going to show you guys the consistency that I love, especially for my natural hair. It just soaks it up. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh yeah, my new uploads are going to be on Saturday and Wednesday.